Ah, so what should we talk about today? Or about music, the intercom system. That's a worthy topic. There are so many brands to choose from of the mesh intercom, not the Bluetooth. The mesh intercom. There's Sena, there's Cardu, there's Blue Armor, C30, C50, C20, blah blah blah. But what I feel is if you ride alone or even if you ride with a pillion, but only two of you, like you and your wife or you and your girlfriend, I feel the intercom is not totally worth it. And here's the reason why. So there are speaker pockets in your helmets. Bluetooth intercom speaker goes into those pockets and it covers both of your ears. But as soon as you pack that system around, audio get chopped off right away from the incoming traffic. 20-30%, not much. As soon as you start playing music in those intercoms, even at 60% volume, 50%, 70% volume, the audio of incoming traffic reduces to 70%. Test it yourself. Buy any cheap Bluetooth speakers for your helmets that comes around 700 to 1000 bucks. Put those in the speaker pockets and play the music. The correct way to use though Bluetooth intercoms or mesh intercoms is doing a setting on your phone. So there is one setting in your phone, the audio setting, which lets you decide of which side of speaker should be on and which side should be off. And if you are someone who doesn't like to listen from the one ear, you can even set the balance, audio balance. That is, if you completely like 100% do left or right, it cuts off either one of the speaker. But if you do 70 or 80%, the audio balance shifts from left to right to 80% and 20%, or either way. Yes, from wrong side again, sorry. So you can use it that way. So at least your one ear stays awake for the incoming traffic. It doesn't get blocked by the music. And I don't use the intercom or the Bluetooth speakers. I only use it in the rainy seasons. 700 to 1000 bucks वाला जो भी Bluetooth system का आता है speaker का, no brand, just off brand, generic. Now there is OnePlus Bluetooth wireless bullets, the neck band. You can put it only in one ear and it's good to go. It's smaller in size, it doesn't harm your ear, it's plugged right into your ear. But I only use one side. You can do either that, or if you're using, or if you want to use intercom, then please set it to one side. Set the audio balance to one side, either left or right, that's upon you. You can try it for yourself. It's controversial, yes, but it might help someone, yes.